This video is about pre-DCR drafting. Once you complete the pre-DCR installation for Uttar Pradesh on your system, you will see the icon on desktop. When you open the pre-DCR, you will get pre-DCR toolbar and pre-DCR menu in CAD system. So let's begin. Let's first open the drawing which needs to be converted. Now press first icon. Create new project for current drawing. Always remember that plot layout should be there in CAD drawing and must be in 1:1 metric scale. In this dialog box, you have to fill all the project information as follows. After creating new project, go to the second tab, Create DCR layers in current drawing. Click Yes. This will create new layers as per the project requirement. The list of all the layers will be displayed. Click OK. Let's convert the site plan. Select plot layer. Draw a closed poly which will represent the plot as shown. Text it. Select main road layer. Draw main road as a closed poly with text, which should be abutting with the plot closed poly. Naming convention shall be like 24-meter wide main road. Select proposed work. Proposed work is a building profile and shall be drawn inside plot. Draw a closed polyline for proposed work on prop work layer. To insert tree, go to pre-DCR, insert tree. Give specific insertion point for the tree as per drawing. Select site plan layer. Draw encapsulating poly around the site plan with text. To insert north direction, go to pre-DCR menu, choose Insert from the drop-down and select north direction. Place on the drawing. Let's convert the street floor plan. Select parking layer. Draw a closed poly which will represent the parking as shown. Go to pre-DCR, mark parking, car parking and select the polyline. To mark the lift, select lift layer. A closed polyline on the inner dimensions of the lift should be drawn on this layer. Go to pre-DCR menu, mark lift, lift default. Select the polyline, click enter. To mark staircase, select staircase layer. Total staircase area should be drawn as a closed polyline. This main stair poly should contain intermediate landing, floor landing and each tread as an open polyline. Go to pre-DCR, mark staircase, unmark default. Please select staircase type as per requirement. Again, go to pre-DCR, insert staircase up direction. Draw the line in the corresponding direction. Go to pre-DCR, insert staircase down direction. Draw the line in the corresponding direction. Intermediate and floor landing poly can be marked by pre-DCR tool. Go to pre-DCR, mark staircase, intermediate landing. Select the polyline and click enter. For floor landing, go to pre-DCR, mark staircase landing, floor landing, select the polyline and click enter. For flight width, go to pre-DCR, mark staircase landing, flight width, select the polyline and click enter. Select passage layer. Draw a closed polyline which will represent the passage as shown. Draw open polyline at the center as shown. This open polyline shall be on line type center. Go to pre-DCR, mark passage, unmark default. Select the polyline and click enter. To mark the floor, select floor layer. Floor poly should be drawn as a closed polyline. Draw separate floor poly for each floor as shown. Let's convert the basement floor plan. If basement is to be used for parking purpose, draft and mark parking as explained before in state floor. To mark ramp, select ramp layer. A closed polyline for ramp enclosing entire ramp shall be drawn on this layer. Draw open polyline at the center of the ramp as shown. This open polyline shall be on line type center. Go to pre-DCR, mark ramp, car ramp. Select the polyline and click enter. Please select ramp type as per the requirement. Draw staircase lift as shown in the state floor before. Let's convert the first floor plan. For commercial floor, select COM FSI layer. Draw a closed FSI polyline which is used for commercial purpose. Room layer. Draw a closed polyline for each room as shown. To assign room name, please follow the process as below. For office, go to pre-DCR, assign name, list of room names, select office. For toilet, Go to PDCR, assign name, list of room names, select toilet. Select the polyline and click enter. Select balcony layer. Draw a closed polyline for balcony as shown. Go to PDCR, mark balcony, unmark default for open balcony. Select the polyline and enter. Go to PDCR, mark balcony, enclosed balcony, select the polyline and click enter. Draw staircase and lift as shown before. Draw floor lines as shown before. Select floor layer. Floor poly should be drawn as a closed polyline. Draw separate floor poly for each floor plan as shown. Let's convert the residential floor plan. To draw FSI line for residential floor, select Resi FSI layer. Draw a closed FSI polyline which is used for residential purpose. To draw, select a room, select room layer. Draw a closed polyline for each room. To assign name, go to PDCR, assign name, list of room, select living. Select the polyline and click enter. Go to PDCR, assign name, list of rooms, select toilet. Go to PDCR, assign name, list of rooms, select bedroom. Select the polyline and click enter. Please mark all the rooms in the same manner. To draw door, select door layer. To insert door, go to PDCR menu, insert door. In door information dialog box, please fill up the information. For example, width 1 meter, depth 0.11 meter, height 2.1 meter and name D as shown. Insert the door as per drawing. To draw window, select window layer. To insert window, PDCR menu, insert window. In window information dialog box, please fill up the information as per requirement. For example, width 2.4 meter, depth to 0.24, height 1.2 meter and name W as shown. To insert ventilator, select window layer, PDCR menu, insert Window. In window information dialog box, please fill up the information as per requirement. For example, width 0.6 meter, depth 0.11 meter, height 1.2 meter, and name V as shown. For ventilator in name, V is fill up instead of W. Draw balcony, staircase, and lift as shown before. Similarly, draw rest of the residential floor plans. To convert terrace floor, select terrace layer, draw a closed polyline on terrace layer. And text it. All kind of terraces like common top floor terrace as well as common terrace on any floor should be drawn on this layer. To draw staircase, select staircase layer, draft the staircase as explained before. To draw lift, draft the lift as explained before. To draw lift machine room, select lift layer. A closed polyline on the inner dimensions of the lift machine room should be drawn on this layer. Go to PDCR menu, mark lift machine room. Let's draft section. Select section layer. Draw the closed poly around section and text as shown. Select section floor layer. Draw a closed polyline for each floor in section as shown. Select staircase layer. Draw closed poly for staircase headroom above staircase in section. Go to PDCR, mark staircase normal default. Edit the text as staircase headroom in section as well as in floor plan. Select lift layer. A closed polyline on the inner dimensions of the lift machine room. Go to PDCR menu. Mark lift machine room. Enter. To draw ground level, select ground level layer. The ground level line should be drawn as open polyline in the section poly. Text it. G L To link the flooring section to floor in plan, go to PDCR menu, assign name, floor name. Fill in the information in Auto Assign Floor Name dialog box. Select floor name from drop down. For example, basement. Select OK. Then select corresponding floor poly and flooring section poly in the drawing. Basement floor is selected in plan and section. To continue floor name, assign select yes and follow the process as follows. Fill in the information in Auto Assign Floor Name dialog box. Select floor name from drop down. Example, stilt floor. Then select corresponding floor poly and flooring section poly in the drawing. Stilt floor is selected in plan and section. To assign name to typical floor, select yes and follow the process as follows. Fill in the information in Auto Assign Floor Name dialog box. Select the checkbox for typical. Select floor number. Select separator. Select other floor number. Select OK. Select floor poly in plan and corresponding floors in section, first and second floor. To assign terrace floor name, select yes and follow the process as follows. Fill in the information in Auto Assign Floor Name dialog box. Select floor name from drop down. Example, terrace floor. Select OK. Then select corresponding floor poly and flooring section poly in the drawing. Terrace floor is selected in plan and section. Floor plan will be automatically linked with section floor by matching the floor name. Building layer. Building poly is used to group all floor plans and sections of the same building and other details. Let's insert direction reference circles. Go to PDCR menu, insert direction reference circles and place them on the common point of all floors. Direction reference circles inside proposed work poly on the site plan shall be at the same point as in floor poly. These circles are important for system to map the drawing. Let's link building to proposed work. Go to PDCR menu, assign name, building and proposed work and select the building polyline as shown. Building and proposed work name in dialog box. Click OK. Select the proposed work polyline from the site plan. If the plot has a multiple building, name other buildings similarly.
Let's go to the next tab, Mark Margin. Go to the Mark Margin. It opens the dialog box as follows. Select Plot. Select the front, then select the front from drawing. Then click Enter. Similarly, select Other Margins. Select the rear, then select the rear from the drawing. Click Enter. After marking margins, Select the plot width and depth with the help of provided tabs. Once done, click OK. This video is for tutorial purpose. For detailed information of layers such as how to mark railing, section line, accessory use, unit BUA, walls, refer user help manual for pre-DCR Uttar Pradesh.
Verify close poly. This command will verify that LW polyline entities on the selected layers are closed and contain text. Command select layer box. Click OK. If all the entities are closed, such message will be displayed. All entities are perfectly closed. Click OK. Next, verify the current drawing. Use this command to verify the layout and building objects in the current drawing. Major checks are as follows. Check if these entities are drawn as a closed LW polygon. Text is given to all objects. Entities are placed exactly inside their parent objects. Naming conventions are followed properly. In the Verify All drawing dialog, you can select the building objects to be checked. To view the result, press OK. System will show the message saying entities on 3DCR layers verified and found OK. Click OK. This message implies that the drawing is as per AutoDCR requirements. Thank you.